Hello! To run phone diagnostics on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll all the way down, go into the device care, and from here scroll down again, and right here is the diagnostics. So let's go in there, and if you're doing it for the first time, if you're going in here for the first time, it might take a little bit for this menu to load in. And right here we have the phone diagnostics, so simply press on here, and if we are doing it also for the first time, the scanning for this diagnostics will start, and it will start to scan for 24 different functions. And as you can see, here is this list of these functions, and after the scanning is complete, you will have this list of all the things that are working. So simply it will look like this. Let's restart testing actually, and it will look like this. The scanning, the diagnostics of this phone will look like this, and after the scanning is complete, let me quickly show you. Let's stop diagnostics, and it will look like this, and here we have this menu with the results. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.